Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk about bedding and extruder temperature, and I'm going to talk about a bug that I faced for a long time, which is why the temperature of the bed is going up when the extruder is going down, and why actually nothing is working as expected over here. So for example, here in your project you expect the temperature to reach 55 degrees for the bed, and you expect actually the extruder to not go above 200 degrees. And in fact, in my case, every time that I was let's say launching the bed, like doing something like this, it went on each time above 55, went up to 70, something like this. And it was also the case actually for the extruder. It went above, let's say, 240 and then block for security reason. And the main reason why it's happening, I'm gonna just launch those two. So the main reason why it's happening is that because you have within your, oops, sorry for that. Do I have it over here? No. Okay, you are here on this given plan. In fact, here this is the slot for the extruder number one, and this is the slot for the hotbed. In my case, I reverse those cables by those cables, and it results in the fact that in fact the temperature which was shown was not the right one, and of course everything was messed up. So once you fixed those two things, what's gonna happen is this. So I'm just switching now to my 3D printer, and you may be able to see it. So when the cable were reversed from here, for example, the temperature of the one that you can see on the left, which is the one of the extruder, could not go above 110 degrees. And by changing actually those cable, as you can see, for the bed, it's not going above 55. It can go up to 56 or something like this, but will not go above than this. And then regarding the extruder, then it will go peacefully up to 200 degrees, 199 or 201. And the reason, as I said, is because probably your cable over here, the one that you can see, oops, yes, the one that you can see here in blue, right? So you see the two reds and two reds, they were reverted. Okay, so I used the cable which are the upper part that you can see over here for the lower part, and it caused, of course, that the temperature were reversed. Hope it's gonna help some of you. Thanks for watching.